Hey everyone, it's Pam, one of the hosts for the Bot2Bank Build-a-thon 3.0, and I want to show you what is in the VIP pass and all out this time. You come in here right now, nothing is going to be in here until August 6th. I'm going to come in here and you're going to go, oh no, I didn't get anything. No, don't fret. You'll get it on August 6th. It's just because we don't want you to get ahead of yourself. This will be all loaded. You come in, you're going to have all kinds of things to do. Let's go ahead. I'm going to hop over to Subtrio right now. This is where all the build-a-thons, all my courses, everything base. What you guys are going to see is not exactly what you're going to see because I'm in the back end and yours will be all pretty. So don't worry. Here we go. Subtrio back end. And this is where I have all the bots. So as you can see, these things are published, these are not. So look at all the things you're going to be getting. You're going to get 10 of these, and each one of them has sales copy, email promo, email welcome, and AI art. All you're going to need to do is take what is in each and one of these, take it to GPT, and use your tone. And if you change any details, like name or anything like that. Let's go ahead and look. Let's just look at this last one, just so you can see. And as I said, sales page copy, you got headline, subline, and see what I'm saying, that every single one of these this one is just for the marketing one. So you have what you need to put on the sales page, the promo email, the welcome email, and then the AIR prompts. And all you're going to need to do is copy and paste. This is going to help you so much when we're on the workshop. You're going to be able to probably have the page up and running by the end of the workshop. Just saying, because all you need to do is copy and paste. And just ask Chatty to put it in your time. Easy button, people. Easy. Each and every single one of them has their own sales page, email, all that. Now, up right here is the bots, and this is where you're going to go to get the ChatGPT info. Right here, you're going to click. Probably need to just copy. Have it open. It's so silly sometimes. You're going to open this, and 10 done for you. Done. They're done. All you need to do, we have the instructions right here. We even give you the quick selling angles and taglines. We give you, coming down here, look at this, exactly what you need to put in ChatGPT. Now, we did highlight stuff just in case you need to change it. And this way you don't have to think about this. If you didn't have this, then you have to type all this in. But since you have the pass, if you get the pass, you just copy and paste. So all of them are in here. Guardrails, everything. So easy button. I put in here, this is the base. So if you're going to sell more, here is the base of it. And you just fill in the blanks. Still copy and paste. There's that. Now, let's go back to see what else there is, because there's so much more. There's a plug and play funnel. This is just a template. You can use it for all other GPTs that you sell. This is what we used to create the other ones. So just wanted to give that to you as well. And then we have Canva mockups. This is a mockup. You just pop in a picture and copy and paste what it does, and there you go. So you get a Canva template for that. There will also be some promos for adding those to the social media. And then you have the email templates. These are very generic, geared towards selling GPTs though, so don't worry about that. You can use these for your other ones, or if you want to use them for yourself to start over. But remember, we already got them all in here for you. And then we got a pricing GPT. Ooh, this is going to be awesome. It will help you price your GPTs. And then my super one that I probably, Sadie just got, why'd you do this? But I just wanted to add some extra stuff. These are the bot images. Everyone will be getting the bot images. There's 50 of them. And let's go ahead and look at some of them right here. Isn't this cute? This is for the homesteading one. These are all the little bots. You use them any way you want to use them. I took out the background on the majority of them. Some of them, if I took out the background, then it would just take out a whole bunch of stuff. So there's all kinds of cute different ones. I wanted to put in all kinds of different looking ones for you, just in case, because everyone has their own different style. And I did put them in, which one was what. However, you can use this one where there's a couple that you can use individually. Not individually, but like different ones. Like this one and this one's not really tied to anything, but you can put them. So these are yours. You're just going to get the Canva template. You go in, you use them. You can use them for anything you want. Sales page, whatever you want. They're yours. So there you go. That is the VIP pass for Bot2Bank Build-a-thon 3.0. $25, you get all of this. Copy and paste, easy button. And I'll see you in the workshop.